Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question 18 minus 3 times 2 10 to the power of 2 divided by 6? What is the answer of this question? Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Don't forget, the multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify. In this question, according to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. 3 times 2 equals 6. We have 18 minus 6 to the power of 2, then divided by 6. Now we have subtraction, exponent, and division. First, we simplify the exponent. 6 to the power of 2 equals 36. 18 minus 36, then divided by 6. We have subtraction and division, and according to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the division. Negative 36 divided by 6 equals negative 6, and 18 minus 6 equals 12. The final answer of this question equals 12. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Goodbye.